Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 Hindi, Chapter 12, Sunita Ki Pahiya Kursi, Story Explanation and Meanings in English. Here, Pahiya Kursi meaning is wheelchair. Sunita is a girl who cannot walk on her own legs. She uses this wheelchair for her day-to-day life activities. So, we are going to see about Sunita in this chapter. सुनीता सुबह 7 बजे सोकर उठी. सुनीता woke up at 7 in the morning. कुछ देर तो वह अपने बिस्तर पर ही बैठी रही. So for a while she sat on her bed. वह सोच रही थी कि आज उसे क्या क्या काम करने थे. So she was thinking what she has to do on that day. Just today, so what she has to do on that day she was thinking. उसे याद आया कि आज तो बाजार जाना है. So suddenly she remembered that she has to go to the market. सोचते ही उसकी आंखों में चमक आ गई. So thinking this, her eyes flashed. सुनीता आज पहली बार अकेले बाजार जाने वाली थी. So this is the first time Sunita was going to the market alone. As she was physically challenged, this is the first time she is going to the market alone. उसने अपनी टांगों को हाथ पर पकड़कर खींचा और उन्हें पलंग से नीचे की ओर लटकाया. She grabbed his leg by hand and pulled them down from the bed. She hanged on the side. फिर पलंग का सहारा लेती हुई अपनी पहिया कुर्सी तक बढ़ी. So then with the help of the bed, she sat on her wheelchair. पहिया कुर्सी meaning is wheelchair. सुनीता चलने फिरने के लिए पहिया कुर्सी की मदद लेती हैं. So with the help of this wheelchair, she moves here and there. मदद is help, चलने फिरने meaning is here and there. आज वह सभी काम फुर्ती से निपटाना चाहती थी. So she is thinking that she has to do all the work quickly. हालांकि कपड़े बदलना, जूते पहनना आदि उसके लिए कठिन काम है. Although changing clothes, wearing shoes, etc. were very difficult and hard work for her, पर अपने रोजाना के काम करने के लिए उसने स्वयं ही कई तरीके ढूंढ निकाले हैं. So she found many ways to do her work on herself without the help of others. 8 बजे तक सुनीता नहा धोकर तैयार हो गई. So by 8 o'clock, Sunita took bath and she was ready to go to the market. माँ ने मेज पर नाश्ता लगा दिया था. So a mother had a breakfast on the table. माँ अचार की बोतल पकड़ाना, सुनीता ने कहा. So Sunita asked her mother, please pass me the pickle bottle. So अचार की बोतल meaning is pickle bottle. अलमारी में रखी है. So she says that it is on the shelf. अलमारी is shelf. ले लो, you take it. माँ ने रसोई घर से जवाब दिया. रसोई घर here is kitchen. सुनीता खुद जाकर अचार ले आई. So Sunita herself went and bought the pickle. So अचार is pickle. नाश्ता करते करते उसने पूछा. So she was having the breakfast. She asked her mother, माँ बाजार से क्या क्या लाना है. So mother, what to bring from the market. 1 किलो चीनी लानी है, पर क्या तुम अकेले संभाल लोगी. So she is saying 1 kilo of sugar has to be brought, but can you do it alone? So she is saying that can you go alone to the market. So चीनी is sugar, बाजार is market. नाश्ता meaning is breakfast. नेक्स्ट, पक्का, सुनीता ने मुस्कुराते हुए कहा. सो सुनीता सेज श्योर. With smiling, she said yes. सुनीता ने मासी झोला और रुपया लिया. So Sunita took the bag and money from her mother. So Jola meaning is the bag, the handbag. रुपया is money. अपनी पहलिया कुर्सी पर बैठकर वह बाजार की ओर चल दी. So she sits on the wheelchair and she moved towards the market. सुनीता enjoys watching street life. सुनीता को सड़क की जिंदगी देखने में मजा आता है. So meaning is Sunita enjoys watching street life. मजा is enjoying. चूंकि आज छुट्टी है इसलिए हर जगह बच्चे खेलते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं. So it was holiday on that day. Therefore children are playing everywhere. So she saw many children were playing. सुनीता थोड़ी देर रुककर उन्हें रस्सी कूदते गेंद खेलते देखती है. So she was seeing that many children are playing with jumping the rope, playing ball. She saw all these when she was moving on her wheelchair to the market. वह थोड़ी उदास हो गई. She was sad seeing all these. वह भी उन बच्चों के साथ खेलने चाहती थी. She also wanted to play like this, like other children. खेल के मैदान में उसे एक लड़की दिखी जिसकी माँ उसे वापस लाने के लिए आई थी. So she saw a girl whose mother came to took her back. दोनों एक दूसरे को टुकुर टुकुर देखने लगे. So both of them started looking each other. Here tukur tukur is started looking, staring at each other. वापस is to return back. फिर सुनीता को एक लड़का देखा. Then Sunita saw a boy. लड़का is boy. उस बच्चे को बहुत सारे बच्चे छोटू छोटू बुलाकर चिढ़ा रहे थे. So all the kids were calling that boy Chotu Chotu. So they were teasing the boy's height like that. Chotu Chotu meaning is small small. So Chotu is small because that boy is height was less. So other children were teasing that boy. उस लड़के का कद बाकी बच्चों से बहुत छोटा था because he was shorter than the other children. सुनीता को यह सब बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं है. सुनीता did not like this at all. रास्ते में कई लोग सुनीता को देखकर मुस्कुराए जबकि वह उन्हें जानती तक नहीं थी. So many people on the way seeing Sunita smiled even though they did not know Sunita. मुस्कुराए smiling, जानती is no. They didn't, even though they did not know, they started smiling. पहले तो वह मन ही मन खुश हुई परंतु फिर सोचने लगी ये सब लोग मेरी तरफ भला इस तरह क्यों देख रहे हैं. So at first she was very happy that all are smiling at her, but then she started thinking why are all these people looking at me like this. खेल के मैदान वाली छोटी लड़की सुनीता को दोबारा कपड़ों की दुकान के सामने खड़ी मिली. So Sunita saw a little girl who was on the playground. She saw the same girl in front of the shop. उसकी माँ कुछ कपड़े देख रही थी. So her mother was looking at clothes. तुम्हारे पास यह अजीब सी चीज क्या है? उस लड़की ने सुनीता से पूछा. So the girl asked, what is the strange thing you have? यह तो बस एक so she started to answer. It's just Sunita started to answer. सुनीता जवाब देने लगी परंतु उस लड़की की माँ ने गुस्से में आकर लड़की को सुनीता से दूर हट दिया. So seeing this scene, the girl's mother angrily moved away the girl and advised her not to ask such questions. इस तरह का सवाल नहीं पूछना चाहिए फरीदा. So that girl name is Farida. She is telling you should not ask these questions. सवाल is questions. You should not ask these questions. It is not like it is not good. So mother said to Farida. मैं दूसरे बच्चों से अलग नहीं हूँ, सुनीता ने दुखी होकर कहा. So she is saying, Sunita is saying that I am not different from other children. उसे फरीदा की माँ का व्यवहार समझ में नहीं आया. So, but Farida did not know why her mother behaved like this. So she did not know why her mother behaved like this. अंत में सुनीता बाजार पहुंच गई. So finally Sunita reached the market. दुकान में घुसने के लिए उसे सीढ़ियों पर चढ़ना था. So there was stairs on the shop. She had to climb the stairs. उसके लिए यह कर पाना बहुत मुश्किल था. So मुश्किल is difficult. It is very difficult for her to climb the stairs with this wheelchair. आसपास के सब लोग जल्दी में थे. So all around people were in a very hurry. किसी ने उसकी तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया. Nobody paid attention to her. अचानक meaning is suddenly. जिस लड़के के छोटू कहकर चिढ़ाया जा रहा था वह उसके सामने आकर खड़ा हो गया. So suddenly she saw the boy who was teased Chotu. She found that boy standing in front of him. मैं अमित हूँ. I am Amit. उसने अपना परिचय दिया. So he introduced himself. क्या मैं तुम्हारी कुछ मदद करूँ? May I help you? So how may I help you? So he's asking, can I help you? Madad is help. Parichay meaning is introduce. Amit is name. मेरा नाम सुनीता है. Sunita, she is also introducing her. सुनीता ने राहत की सांस ली और मुस्कुराकर बोली. So Sunita breathed a sigh of relief and smiled. So she felt that there is somebody to help her and she smiled and said, पीछे के पेडल को पैर से जरा दबाओगे. So she is asking to push the back pedal a bit. हाँ जरूर कहते हुए अम्मी ने पहलियां कुर्सी को टेढ़ा करके उसके अगले पहलियां को पहली सीढ़ी पर रखा. So he says that yes, sure. Amit bent the wheelchair. What he does is he puts them on the first step. फिर उसने पिछले पहियों को भी ऊपर चढ़ाया. So then he put the back wheels on the staircase. सुनीता ने अमित को धन्यवाद दिया और कहा. So सुनीता thanked Amit and said, अब मैं दुकान तक खुद पहुंच सकती हूँ. So now I can go to the market by myself. Now she is saying that now I can go to the shop by myself. दुकान में पहुंचकर सुनीता ने 1 किलो चीनी मांगी. On reaching the shop, Sunita asked for 1 kilogram of sugar. Chini is sugar, mangi is she is asking. दुकानदार is shopkeeper. दुकानदार उसे देखकर मुस्कुराया. So shopkeeper smiled at Sunita. चीनी की ताईली पकड़ने के लिए उसने हाथ आगे बढ़ाया ही ताकि दुकानदार ने ताईली उसकी गोदी में रखी थी. So what Sunita does is she held out her hand to hold the sugar bag. But what did the shopkeeper do? The shopkeeper kept the bag on her lap. Sunita ने गुस्से से कहा. So angrily Sunita said, मैं भी दूसरों की तरह खुद अपने आप सामान ले सकती हूँ. So she is saying that Like others, I can also take my own things. She wanted all others to behave her like normal child. So she is saying, like others, I can take my own things. उसे दुकानदार का व्यवहार बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. So she did not like the behavior of shopkeeper at all. चीनी लेकर सुनीता और अमित बाहर निकले. So taking out the sugar, Sunita and Amit came out. बाहर निकले meaning is came out. लोग मेरे साथ ऐसा व्यवहार करते हैं जैसे कि मैं कोई अजीबोगरीब लड़की हूँ, सुनीता ने कहा. So Sunita said that people treat me like I am a strange girl. अजीबोगरीब means strange girl. शायद तुम्हारी पहिया कुर्सी के कारण ही वे ऐसा व्यवहार करते हैं, अमित ने कहा. So Amit said that it is probably because of your wheelchair they behave like this. पर इस कुर्सी में भला ऐसी क्या खास बात है, मैं तो बचपन से ही इस पर बैठकर इसे चलाती हूँ. So Sunita is saying, what is special about this chair? I sit on this chair from my childhood and I ran it. Sunita is saying this reason to Amit. Bachpan is from childhood she is using this wheelchair. Amit ने पूछा, पर तुम इस पर क्यों बैठती हो? So Amit asked, but why do you sit on it? मैं पैरों से चल ही नहीं सकती. इस पहिया कुर्सी के पहियों को घुमाकर ही मैं चल फिर पाती हूँ, लेकिन फिर भी मैं दूसरे बच्चों से अलग नहीं हूँ. So she is saying that I can't walk with my feet by rotating the wheels of this wheelchair. I can walk around, but still I am not different from other children. मैं वे सारे काम कर सकती हूँ जो दूसरे बच्चे कर सकते हैं, सुनीता ने कहा. सुनीता is saying that I can do all the things that other children can do. कर सकती हूँ means do, can do all the work that other children do. अमित ने अपना सिर ना में हिलाया और कहा. So Amit nodded his head and said, मैं भी वे सारे काम कर सकता हूँ जो दूसरे बच्चों कर सकते हैं, पर मैं भी दूसरे बच्चे से अलग हूँ, इसी तरह तुम भी अलग हैं. So he is also saying that I can also do all the things which other children can do, but I am different. The same way you are also different from other children. सुनीता ने कहा, नहीं, हम दोनों दूसरे बच्चों जैसी ही हैं. Sunita says that no, we are not different like other children. We are like other children. अमित ने दोबारा अपना सिर में हिलाया और कहा, देखो तुम पहिया कुर्सी पर बैठकर चलती हैं, मेरा कद बहुत छोटा है, हम दोनों ही बाकी लोगों से कुछ अलग हैं. So he is saying that see, you are sitting on the wheelchair. Likewise, my height is short. This way we both are different from other children. Sunita कुछ सोचने लगी. Sunita started thinking something. उसने अपनी पहिया कुर्सी आगे की ओर खिसकाई. So she moved her wheelchair forward. Amit भी उसके साथ साथ चलने लगा. So Amit also started walking with her. सड़क पार करते समय सुनीता को फरीदा पर नजर आई. So when she was crossing the road, Sunita saw Farida. Again, the girl she saw in the playground and shop. इस बार फरीदा ने कोई सवाल नहीं पूछा. This time Farida did not ask any question. Amit जड से सुनीता की पहिया कुर्सी के पीछे चढ़ गया. So Amit was running behind the wheelchair of Sunita. फिर दोनों पहिया कुर्सी पर सवार होकर तेजी से सड़क पर आगे बढ़े. So both of them rode in a wheelchair and they proceeded fast on the road. Farita भी उनके साथ साथ दौड़ी. So Farita also accompanied with them. इस बार भी लोगों ने उन्हें घूरा परंतु अब सुनीता को उनकी परवाह नहीं थी. This time also people stared at them, but now Sunita did not care for them. So parvah is caring. So she this time also everyone started staring at them, but this time she did not care what others look. So this is the story of Sunita with her wheelchair. This is the experience of a physically handicapped or a physically challenged girl with a wheelchair. Hope this video is useful. We'll see the textbook solutions and explanation in the next video. Thank you all.